Hello there, my name is Janice and I'm the owner and director of EcoShop. Today I'd like to introduce you EcoShop Rewards Program. So first, if you log into our website ecoshop.kiwi.nz, it will bring you into the site, and on your bottom right, you will see this Earn Rewards icon with the present icon. Just click on it. And basically, with this rewards program, you can accumulate points when you purchase something from our website, and there are a number of ways to redeem the points as well. And so once you've accumulated that points, you can use that points to redeem anything from our shop, okay, like from a coupon or a free shipping, a 10% off. So depending what we have, which I will show you right now, there are different ways to earn. So when you sign up, you get 100 points. When you place an order, you get 3 points for every $1 spent. When you follow on our social media, you like our page, you get more points from there. And also, we will reward you your 200 points when you put in your birthday. So when your birthday arrives, we will send you the 200 points to you. And these points do not have any expiry date, so you can use it anytime you want. And so let's get on to how you can join the program. So if you are not a member or you do not have an account with us, all you have to do is click the Join Now button, and then you create your account. And then when you do that, you get your 100 points. Or if you have an account with us, you can sign in. Okay, so let's sign in. Okay, so it will bring you to your order history and all your details, and then click on again the icon on the right bottom, Earn Rewards with the present icon. That is how you check your points. That's the only way you can check the points. So I have 700 points in my store, and so I've already tested a few redeem a few rewards. And so once you redeem your rewards, it will be on this section here. You can click on it and it shows you the number of coupons that I have. Okay, and so to redeem your points, you head over to ways to redeem. You can redeem a $5 coupon for 500 points, 10% coupon for 1,000 points, or free shipping coupon. Or if you do not want to use your whole points, you can actually choose to redeem whatever points that you want. Okay, so let's say I want to redeem about 300 points. I can just hit the redeem button. Okay, so that's $3 off. You can actually click to copy the code, or you can just hit apply code and it will automatically add that code to your checkout. I've already had so you can start shopping, okay, but I already have something in my checkout. Okay, I have something in my cart, I mean. So once you redeem your points, it will send you an email with your coupon code as well. So you have that in your email as well, just in case if you miss it. And then you hit the checkout button, and usually the coupon code will be applied at your checkout, and then here it applies already. Okay, so that is pretty easy and straightforward. And with this reward system though, as well as in my store, you can only use one coupon code at a time. But I'm trying to fix that, but at the moment it's just one coupon code at a time. Okay, so let's go back to your rewards. Okay, so there is also other ways to earn your rewards, and that is to refer to your friends or your family members. Okay, so you will have this URL. You can copy this URL and share it to your friends, and if your friends or family members redeem their $5 coupon, you will also get $5. Okay, so it's pretty cool. So I do encourage you, if you haven't yet joined our rewards program, I do encourage you to do so, so you can earn your points and redeem it, so you get more bang for your buck whenever you purchase our products. So that is all for today. I thank you for listening to this video and have a great day. Bye now.